بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So let's see the configuration of the tunnel on the phase 3. And the phase 3, the tunnel configuration is exactly same as phase 2. So there's no difference in the tunnel configuration. The basic setup is still the same. Like this is the same configuration what we did in our phase 2. So we'll be using multi-point GRE everywhere. And then this is a configuration, the same configuration you will see on the spokes as well. So up to here, this is exactly the same tunnel configuration. So let me just quickly check on my routers whether I have the same configuration already present or not. So if I go and check on my tunnel interfaces, okay, so I'll be removing this. Basically, we'll see this configuration. NHRP. Let me remove the additional configurations if I have any, so that if it is required, I'll be adding that. So by default, the next hop will change. By default, split origin is enabled, so I'm going to enable this. So if we verify my tunnel configurations, it is exactly same like phase 2. If you check the router 2, I think on the router 2 as well, the same configuration. Okay, so similar way on the router 3, router 4, the configuration wise, the tunnel configuration is still the same. So just make sure that we do have reachability to the remote tunnel interfaces. So we do have reachability.